As someone that starts every day with a freshly brewed cup of tea, it was actually strange that I had not yet looked into tea-focused skincare. So, when I was in New York, I picked up a gift set from Fresh Beauty, containing their fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, their fresh Black Tea Age-Delay Eye Concentrate, and their fresh Black Tea Firming Corset Cream. I will have a dedicated video on the benefits of green tea in skincare up later this month, but while there are some differences in the antioxidant content in green and black tea, both have antioxidant properties. But how did that translate to the individual products? If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well-aging. While the toner claims to boost the efficacy of the rest of your routine and to hydrate, the eye cream apparently does it all. Reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, and the cream claims to firm and lift the skin of face and neck. All three products are heavily scented, with the Kombucha Facial Essence smelling the strongest and the black tea eye cream the weakest, but still pretty intense for my liking. It is a sweetish floral scent, not necessarily what I would associate with black tea, and to be honest, it isn't my favorite one, but thankfully only the one from the essence lingers on the skin. The texture of the essence is similar to water when you pour it out, but feels a little more substantial after distribution on the skin. The face cream feels very silky and creamy, for the lack of a better word, nothing extraordinary. The eye cream, however, has quite a greasy texture in the pot, which, combined with the yellowish color, reminds me of butter, but that greasiness disappears upon application. All three products can be used morning or night, depending on your skin type and preferences, and can be used either together, cleanse, then the essence, maybe a serum, then the eye cream, and then the face cream, or in different parts of your routine and combined with other products from different brands. What worked best for me was using the Kombucha Antioxidant Essence in the mornings to hydrate my skin and to get the most out of its antioxidant benefits, and to use the Age-Delay Eye Cream and the Corset Cream at night, where the texture worked better for my mature yet acne-prone skin. I have tried both in the mornings though, and I'm happy to report that they work well underneath makeup and sunscreen, so if you prefer something richer in the mornings, that would be fine as well. There's no instant firming and lifting effect I could see from the Corset Cream that would make it more suitable for the mornings either. As this claim is based on the peptides it contains, I assume it is supposed to be more of a long-term effect anyway. In the essence that features kombucha, a fermented tea product in the name, you will find Saccharomyces ferment filtrate as well as Camellia sinensis leaf extract, the extract of the tea plant, and then adenosine, so basically a mixture of soothing, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant ingredients. It contains two other plant extracts, Kigelia africana fruit extract and Citrus unciu peel extract, that I am less familiar with and that claim to brighten and tighten the skin. There's also perfume as well as geraniol, linalool and citronellol, probably from the plant extracts that are known irritants, which is why this essence wouldn't be my first pick for sensitive skins. The eye cream, sporting black tea in its name, also features Saccharomyces ferment filtrate as well as Camellia sinensis leaf extract, but on top of that, Saccharomyces cerevisia extract, colloidal oatmeal and a few lipids like squalane that explain the initial rich texture. I'm not sure what in this ingredient list will specifically address puffiness and dark circles, but it is very moisturizing and soothing. There is also vitamin E, biotin or vitamin H, and ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate, a vitamin C derivative. Similar to the essence, there are perfume and linalool as ingredients that might not agree with some people. The Corset Cream, on the other hand, isn't that different to the other two. In its main ingredients, again, you will find Saccharomyces ferment filtrate and Camellia sinensis leaf extract, biotin, vitamin E, and adenosine. On top of that, you'll get glycerin as humectant and acetyl dipeptide 1-cetyl ester or calmosensine, a peptide claiming to relax muscles and so prevent the formation of wrinkles. Where the firming part comes in, I couldn't really see, as none of the ingredients specifically claims to firm and tighten the skin, at least not to my knowledge. Again, you will find fragrance as well as geraniol, linalool and citronellol. While the products are nice, I personally feel they are kind of expensive for what they bring to the table, and that combined with the scent that isn't to my personal preference will stop me from repurchasing. As the products do have a beautiful texture and a really nice ingredient list though, you might feel different and want to give them a go. And if that is you, I think all skin types, with the exception of those allergic to fragrance or one of their fragrant components, will be able to use them. Dry skin year-round, either morning or night. Normal to oily skins probably more at night time. The 3 fresh products I've tried, the fresh Kombucha Antioxidant Facial Essence, the fresh Age-Defy Eye Concentrate, and the fresh Corset Cream Firming Moisturizer, are nice products with a focus on fermented and tea-derived ingredients and a lovely texture, but in my opinion are quite expensive and heavily fragranced. I like the hydration the essence gives, the initially rich texture of the eye cream that still works beautifully under makeup, and the silky feeling the face cream gives, but for me personally they are not worth the money. If there is anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram, blog and Patreon account in the description box. See you soon. Bye!